Preform is Formlabs pre-production software for both our SLS and SLA 3D printers. We have a specialized view for the Fuse 1 build area that makes starting a print quick and easy. Once I've loaded the print onto the Fuse 1, I select the job via the touch interface and start the print. The user interface runs through a series of quick pre-print maintenance checks to help ensure print success. After confirming print readiness, the Fuse 1 heats up to 180 degrees Celsius and coats the build area with a thin layer of nylon 12 powder. Our print process uses a laser to sinter layers of nylon 12 powder together to create exceptionally strong and functional parts. The non-sintered powder suspends the printed parts in place as they fuse, eliminating the need for printed support structures. After the print job is completed, the Fuse 1 will let you know when the build chamber is cool enough to handle and remove. Industry-leading cooldown times allow for non-stop printer uptime, as you can swap in an additional build chamber shortly after removing the chamber containing the previous print. I'll remove the build chamber and transfer it to the Fuse Sift. This all-in-one post-processing station combines part extraction, powder recovery, storage, and mixing within a compact footprint. Here you can watch as I unpack the build chamber and excavate the parts. The entire print rises up out of the build chamber into the Fuse Sift work area, where I can then use the included cleaning tools to remove excess powder. The integrated vacuum and air filtration system ensures that loose powder is contained in the work area, keeping the post-processing experience both clean and tidy. Once we've excavated our parts, the excess nylon powder drains through the Sift filter to catch any environmental contaminants that may have been introduced during the unpacking process. The sifted powder then enters a storage hopper alongside a separate hopper of fresh nylon 12 powder. When you're ready to start your next print, you can select a mix ratio for the reclaimed and new powders, which then automatically dispense into the powder cartridge below. The powder cartridge clips onto the integrated mixer on the side of the Fuse Sift and rotates to ensure the two powders are combined uniformly. Thanks to the innovative Fuse 1 print process, we are able to print with recycled powder at a 30% refresh rate. This means that in order to start a print, you need to use only 30% new nylon 12 powder and 70% can be reclaimed from previous prints using the Fuse Sift. This allows you to consistently produce high-quality parts using reclaimed material, cutting down on material waste and consumables costs. The last piece of post-processing involves using a media blaster. This is an optional post-processing tool that is not included in the Formlabs workflow directly, but is a recommended tool for achieving a prime surface finish. A jet of air and fine glass beads helps to remove excess nylon powder from the surface of the printed part. Finally, a burst of compressed air should be used to remove any stray blasting media that may have been left behind. If using a media blaster, be sure to keep it separated from your Fuse Sift workstation, as blasting media can negatively impact the print quality of your nylon powder. So here we have a finished mixer clip ready for use. Formlabs engineers leverage SLS 3D printing in order to quickly iterate on the design of this component before committing to the final part for production. This saved both time and expensive tooling costs for the injection molded part,